हेलो एवरीवन, आज मैं जा रही हूँ अपने गर्ल्स गैंग के साथ बेस्टन द टॉप विच इज़ इन कोहिनूर स्क्वायर। ये एक बहुत ही फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट है। यहाँ पर हम सब जा रहे हैं। मैं जा रही हूँ अपनी फ्रेंड्स और अपनी सिस्टर्स के साथ। इट्स अ फाइन डाइन प्लेस।
उनसे पूछो ना कहाँ है अभी ना।
इधर 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 पहले
Aspiration just comes to bring down and down and down. Like you're doing the down and down. So now what? I think you can do 20. Away with another 53 runs against Team 11 overs. At some point, I've just got to say, look, we get lucky. Still thinking themselves a battle of yours. They need his playing more than anything else now. He's got a big room to play. And New Zealand come out to defend the score. But at the moment, he needs to show himself some rest. Balls are projected to be in this game, so they're 18 wickets losing at 6 and the spinners are just going straight. A little bit of jab, that's all you need. Oh, drop another non-strikers out. Two rest of this.
इतना बड़ा वेन्यू। प्रिया
We know more about the fish ship. This is so much more just a natural language.
That was really cute, like as we have everything now. अच्छा है ना? What kind of cake you buy?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Oh, alright, go keep it in the kitchen.
It's a double surprise actually.
Where's hold it properly and where's where is Ashish Master?
So my mom said that it's Raika's grandfather's birthday. So they got another cake for them.
Oh,
Raika's grandfather.
I don't know.
It's a double surprise.
Okay. We'll soon get to know the surprise. 11-15 हुआ है ना? Okay.
ठंडा केक.
ये दो केक का सैंडविच क्यों बनाया?
एक में मुंडी, एक में
बी ना बी ये ना बना
हाँ,
ये तो आइसक्रीम है.
ये तो आइसक्रीम है.
I thought that this would be ice
Alexa, stop. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you.
May God not bless you. May God not bless you.
Naleko.
Happy birthday to you. We like you. You look like a diamond. Go back to your room.
again
Happy birthday to you. Nobody likes you. You look like a cat animal. Go back to your room.
तो खिलाओ
Jonas.
जूनियर मम्मी को खिलाओ केक बुद्धि तो हाँ ये कोई नहीं खाएगा
Junior.
I wish that was here.
Masi.
नहीं रहने दो उसको नहीं मासा मासी बस का जानू नहीं ना बहुत नहीं खाना है ये तो बड़ा चकाना दे मासा मासा बचा हुआ
Daru.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Ready?
अपना आइसक्रीम
बैठ यार. केक बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर लिया. अब हम आज की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. यस, तू उधर से आ, तू उधर से आ. हैप्पी बर्थडे. इसका आइसक्रीम में बचा हुआ. ज़्यादा डालू. बच्चे ना दो.
कोई वेस्टिंग नहीं करेगा कुछ भी गंद किया तो मार खाओगे
मैंने पहले ही परमिशन ले ली इसके मासी से. दुनिया हैप्पी बर्थडे. ये अपन हो गया बेटा. Bird out. Happy birthday. शुरू करना. क्या ताली बजा रहा हूँ?
Oh la.
अरे गंद कर रहे हो घर को गंद करे कौन करेगा कचरा साफ
Let me.
I will be getting my revenge on me.
तुझे नहीं करने की मैं थोड़ी
Baba, see you. And on Jasmine.
Understand.
cherry.
Yeah, because Jonas want na.
Is this an ice cream cake?
Yes, Jonas want that na. Ginny Jenny was sleeping. Call.
Butterscotch balls in this cherry.
Come, Poppy.
I'm not cool. He took the cake. Then
Junior, how you fortunate so? 4 cake you get. 1 cake Ashish Master bring. 3 cake Dada bring. So many cakes you got.
One pig is much in his face.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you.
Only 4 something.
The ice cream cake top.
butterscotch flavor.
Come.
It's on my hair.
How it is?
Amazing.
Nice.
I'm not gonna give it away.
Again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you. Junior, one more cake. Come on, the third one.
4.
Yes, the fourth one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you.
I need to wash my hands.
The ice cream cake is really nice. It's really amazing.
I think so.
What did you say?
Best birthday ever.
Best birthday ever? Ice cream cake is really yum.
Best being a someone's birthday ever.
Mm.